Yes, sir. I've read on the internet that sometimes Saudi Arabia banned Pakistani women to other men from getting married to them. So
I
since
don't
I'm not
understand
happy
your
with that,
question.
like, is it permissible for me to avoid Nigerian citizens the way Saudi Arabia banned men from getting married to Pakistani women?
Who said that?
Like, I read it on the internet, sir.
Do you believe everything that they write on the internet? Most of what people write against Saudi Arabia is barking without biting. So many people write negative, what they call fake news, and they just want to tarnish the reputation of Saudi Arabia. Yes, we are not utopia, but we're not as they claim we are. So don't believe what you read. There are so many nationals, Saudi nationals, who are married to Pakistani ladies. And there are more Saudi women who are married to Pakistani men. There's nothing in that or any prohibition. Pakistanis are not Israelis. There's no problem in that, none whatsoever. So don't believe what you read.